Tips for success with Google Ads. Ensure the ads you invest in are going to make the most impact with these helpful tips from Google Ads community experts. Use the tips for success. 1. Your marketing objectives are very important in your search for success with Google. Keep your focus on your advertising goals. As you're developing your ads campaign, figure out what your objectives are. Designing your campaign with specific objectives in mind rather than designing your campaign with general objectives in mind will give you better insights into your targeting, budget, and formats. 2. Assign a bigger budget to your Google Ads campaigns. Divide budget proportionately by need. With multiple campaigns, give a bigger budget to those who are performing better and helping you meet your business goals, and reduce your budget to those which are experiments or are not producing the best ROI. If you want to know how to succeed with Google Ads campaigns, you should consider your audience. 3. Figure out who your audience is. To create effective ads, you need to consider the needs of your target market, think about the questions they might have, and include those questions and the answer to them in your advertising content. These are the best practices for designing ad campaigns for app, display, search, smart shopping, and video ads. 4. Make use of Google Ads location-related settings to make your campaign a success. 5. Employ location targeting when it's necessary. Once your campaign is created, be sure to use the advanced location options in order to improve your campaign's performance. 6. To have success with a Google Ads campaign, frequency capping is one method you can use. Limit the frequency that your ad appears by setting a frequency cap. It ensures that your customers and potential customers are not tired of your advertisement. Use content targeting to finding success with Google Ads campaigns. 7. Aim for relevancy. Search-targeted advertising includes factors such as use of keywords, placement, and topics. If you're going for wider scale, look into audiences such as demographic, remarketing, custom audiences, and affinity audiences. 8. Use observation setting to finding success with Google Ads campaigns. Observe in order to maximize. Remember that this won't change anything about who can see your ads or where they show up, but you can use the observation setting to watch how they're performing while your campaign is running. With these reports, you'll be able to maximize your ad performance. 9. Consolidate campaigns to find success with Google Ads campaigns. Don't complicate things. Try to combine campaigns of the same campaign type, as long as it's possible, so that you can keep fewer campaigns to watch and organize, for more efficient allocation of budget. 10. In the search for a more successful Google Ads campaign, it would be beneficial to utilize various types of campaigns. Implement different campaign types strategically. When looking to meet a specific business goals, such as making your advertising visible in lots of different places, the campaign type you use should be the one that helps meet that goal the best. Check out the many campaign types you have available and see which ones line up best with your marketing goals. 11. Use smart bidding to build a successful Google Ads campaign. Utilize smart bidding when appropriate. For search campaigns, smart bids are automatically set at the keyword level, and for other campaign types, many factors are used to set the best bid. Offline conversion tracking tips to finding success with Google Ads campaigns. 12. Track conversions for the sake of quality. Put conversion tracking and offline conversion tracking to work to make the quality of your conversions the best it can be. Offline conversion tracking is used when your leads get even further down the sales funnel. You can take advantage of Google Analytics and Google Ads to grow your insights. 13. Always test for success with Google Ads campaigns. Test, and more testing. Test, and test until you find what works. For example, you can run ads with different text for the same product to figure out which ones convert the best. You can also test different types of ad targeting, then base your ad optimizations on the results of that testing.